Hi, welcome to my Halki Diabetes Remedy review. Halki Diabetes Remedy is a program that reveals recipes and ingredients that can help reverse diabetes. This ebook also reveals a technique which can be employed for flushing out a particular harmful toxin that triggers diabetes in a person's body. This is a 21-day protocol that can save your life. Apart from helping one get rid of diabetes, it can also melt off excess pounds from one's body so that he may live a healthier and happier life. Halki Diabetes Remedy works effectively to rid one's body of a harmful toxin that, according to this program, is the reason behind diabetes. The program says that it is not the lack of exercise, carbs, or other such reasons that the doctors give which cause or solve diabetes. In fact, it is actually a harmful toxin that results in diabetes that triggers diabetes. The recipes given in this program and the protocol work to improve one's health and save it from further damage. There are several amazing qualities that make Halki Diabetes Remedy program worth trying. First off, one can save his health by flushing out a dangerous toxin out of his body. Moreover, since the solution mentioned is natural, one doesn't even have to wonder if it has any negative side effects. Halki Diabetes Remedy Guide comes with a bunch of freebies, and it doesn't pose any health risks. Since all the materials come in the format of ebooks and videos, delivery is instant and you can download it right away. It also comes with a money-back guarantee, so there's nothing to lose. You should definitely give it a try. Click the link in the description to download Halki Diabetes Remedy Guide now.